One of the last remaining COVID-19 restrictions will end in NSW on Wednesday, when commuters will no longer be required to wear masks on public transport. Premier Dominic Perrottet and Health Minister Hazzard announced the move on Monday afternoon, saying it was a common-sense approach. "This is a common-sense approach that brings the rules into line for people traveling on buses or trains with those for planes and airport terminals," Perrottet said. Read more. Welfare cash boost for 5 million Aussies tomorrow. The rule change also means people using taxis and rideshare services, or those at transport waiting areas and cruise terminals, no longer need to wear masks. However, NSW Health is still recommending people wear masks, particularly in crowded areas. Continuing to wear a mask in crowded areas will be particularly important for people who have underlying health conditions or who are vulnerable to COVID-19 infection for other reasons. Wearing a mask in these settings will not only protect those around you, but will also reduce your risk of infection, Hazzard said. Read more. Qantas warns specific travelers to get to airport 3 hours early. We can all continue to help protect each other, but particularly those most vulnerable to COVID-19 infection, by staying at home when feeling unwell, taking a COVID-19 test straight away and self-isolating. Mask wearing remains mandatory at public hospitals, private health facilities and residential aged care facilities. The rule change from NSW comes just hours after SA Premier Peter Malinauskas announced masks will no longer be required on public transport in South Australia.